Hey everyone, welcome back. Do your kids love Nerf battles, or are you looking for the perfect toy gift? You're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 5 of the coolest Nerf-compatible toy guns and kits, from powerful sniper rifles to fun family shooting games, plus essential dart packs. Kids will go crazy for these, and parents will love how much fun they get. Stick around, because by the end, you'll find the one that could totally level up their playtime. Let's jump right in. Product number 1. Bigpower Electric Sniper Rifle Kit. If your child dreams of feeling like a real action hero, the Bigpower Electric Kids Toy Sniper Rifle delivers the full experience. This 4-in-1 toy gun lets kids customize the setup, whether they want a compact blaster or a full-length sniper rifle. The package includes a tactical vest, removable magazines, scope, safety glasses, and even targets, so kids are ready for battle straight out of the box. With its battery-powered automatic shooting mode, kids can hold the trigger and fire multiple darts in bursts, reaching distances of up to 50 feet. It uses safe foam darts, making it fun and secure for play indoors or outdoors. The DIY design allows adjustments for different age groups, so it grows with your child. While it needs 6 AA batteries that aren't included, it's still a standout set for realistic and exciting play. Pros: complete kit with vest, glasses, and targets. DIY design makes it adjustable and customizable. Cons: requires 6 AA batteries not included. Who it's for: best for kids ages 8 to 12 who love immersive play and outdoor battles. Final verdict: a top choice for kids who want a realistic, all-in-one toy gun experience. Product number 2. YEEBAY Shooting Game Set. The YEEBAY shooting game is perfect for kids who enjoy friendly competitions and target practice. This set comes with 2 pump-action air blasters, a colorful navy-themed target, and 24 soft foam balls. Each blaster holds 12 balls, giving kids longer playtime before reloading. Because the guns use air pressure instead of batteries, they're lightweight, simple to use, and safe for younger kids. The foam balls are soft and harmless, so they won't damage furniture or hurt siblings, making it ideal for indoor play. The target has multiple scoring zones, turning it into a fun game where kids can compete for the highest points. Easy to set up and fun to use, this toy brings families together and works just as well outdoors for group play. Though the target can feel a little lightweight, the overall package offers safe, active fun. Pros: safe foam balls for kids and indoor play. Pump-action blasters are simple and reliable. Cons: target stand can tip over during rough play. Who it's for: kids ages 6+ who love target games and family competitions. Final verdict: a fun, safe, and easy-to-use toy that keeps kids engaged both indoors and outdoors. Product number 3. UWANTME Tactical Vest Kit. For young Nerf warriors, the UWANTME Tactical Vest Kit adds extra excitement to every battle. This set includes a vest with multiple storage pockets, a tactical mask, safety glasses, wristband, dart pouch, clips, and even 30 refill darts. It's designed for mobility and convenience, letting kids carry more ammo and accessories during play so they don't have to stop to reload. The adjustable vest is lightweight and comfortable, while the mask and glasses add a cool, action-packed look while offering protection. It's a fantastic accessory for kids who already own Nerf blasters, but want to take their games to the next level. Since it doesn't include a gun, it's more of an upgrade kit than a starter set, but it's a gift that instantly makes Nerf play feel more professional and organized. Pros: tons of dart and clip storage for longer battles. Includes safety glasses and mask for extra protection. Cons: doesn't include a Nerf blaster. Who it's for: kids ages 7 to 12 who already own Nerf blasters and want to upgrade their gear. Final verdict: a must-have kit for Nerf fans who want to look the part and stay battle-ready. Product number 4. 300 PCS Nerf Refill Darts. No Nerf battle is complete without plenty of ammo, and this 300-piece refill dart set makes sure the fun never stops. The darts are compatible with most Nerf N-Strike Elite blasters, so kids can use them across different models without worry. Made from durable EVA foam with soft rubber tips, they're safe, lightweight, and designed for accurate shooting. The large supply means kids can enjoy long battles without constantly stopping to collect darts. Plus, the included storage bucket makes cleanup quick and easy, keeping the play area organized. Parents will love the convenience, and kids will love the non-stop action. While foam darts can lose shape after heavy use, having 300 of them ensures the game keeps going strong. This set is a smart, affordable choice for active kids who are always running out of darts. Pros: huge 300 dart supply ensures long play sessions. Convenient storage bucket for easy cleanup. Cons: darts may wear out with repeated use. Who it's for: Nerf fans who need extra darts for extended play. Final verdict: a must-have accessory for kids who never want their battles interrupted by running out of ammo. Product number 5. Moving Target Shooting Game. This shooting game set takes playtime to the next level with a rotating, moving target that adds an extra challenge. Standing over 4 feet tall, the target has multiple scoring pockets and 3 different speed settings: stop, slow, and fast, so kids can test their aim at different levels. The set comes with 2 popper-style air guns and 24 soft foam balls, making it perfect for one-on-one competitions or group play. The air guns are easy to operate and safe for younger kids, while the moving target keeps things exciting for older players too. Whether indoors or outdoors, this toy encourages active play and improves focus and hand-eye coordination. Since the target requires 4 AA batteries that aren't included, parents will want to keep extras on hand. Still, it's one of the most engaging shooting toys for kids and families. Pros: moving target with adjustable speeds adds variety. Safe foam balls are suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Cons: target requires batteries, not included. Who it's for: kids ages 5 to 12 and families who enjoy interactive games. Final verdict: a fun, challenging, and safe shooting game that makes playtime exciting for kids of all ages. And that's our top 5 Nerf-compatible toy guns and gear. Which one would your kids love most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with the bell icon for notifications. All product links and latest prices are in the description. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability, so you can choose the best with confidence.